Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been happy, amazing and positive. So I'm slowly getting better. When I wake up, I still have a bit of a sore throat, but I think I'm getting better. So you're probably wondering why I don't have any makeup on right now, and that is because I wanted to try some makeup that I made at the Lip Lab. If you haven't been to the Lip Lab, it's actually a really awesome place where you can make foundations, lip glosses, lipsticks. It's really cool. So you don't actually make it. There's a lady with you that mixes all the formulas together and whatnot to create your perfect shade. This was a gift for my boyfriend on Valentine's Day, and I've actually always wanted to go, and I finally got a chance to go. Luckily, we were the only people in the lab at the time because I think it was like 3 or 3:30ish, and everyone that had an appointment did it early in the morning. So when we went, it was just us and the lady, and I loved it. There was no noise, it was just us. We got to really talk to the lady, and there was music playing and stuff like that. So yeah, I thought that was really nice that the whole place was quiet. My boyfriend actually got a Valentine's Day package which came with a rose. And it came with a couple of chocolates which I didn't eat. I gave it to my boyfriend. And it came with a candle. This is a candle that it came with. I'm going to open it and show you guys what it looks like. So it's just a plain white candle, and then it's like a white candle like that. I wish that you guys could smell this. So on the box it says raspberries and cream, but on here it says raspberry vanilla. So I don't know if there's a big difference. It smells so good that I don't even want to burn it. Even when it's sitting in the box just on my desk, I can still smell it, and it smells absolutely divine. A couple other things. So this is the bag that the products come in. It says Lip Lab, choose, mix and apply. The first thing that we made, which took the absolute longest, was my foundation. It comes in such a cute little box. I didn't really think that they were going to go this above and beyond to package it so nicely. I'm just going to open it. And it comes in such a lovely little, well, no, it's not little, it's quite big, a tube like that, which is so cool. I didn't really think that, I think I need to give it a bit of a shake. This is the tube that it comes in. It's actually so pretty. I love it. I have actually used this once before, but I did use it in a room that it didn't have enough light. So I like to wear makeup when I've got really good lighting. So I didn't really get to see what it actually looked like. This took so long to make because my skin tone is quite yellow, so I've got a big yellow undertone, and every time she literally put like half the bottle, there's like fluff. She literally put like half the bottle of the yellow stuff, and it didn't even look nowhere near as close to my skin tone. So she had to keep adding it, and then we finally got the color that we wanted. So I'm gonna definitely try this on camera with you guys today. This literally took about half an hour to make, and usually it doesn't take that long. She actually said that Indian women that come in, it's always really hard because of the yellow undertone in our skin. So I guess Indian skin is the hardest to work with. And I did get a matte formula because my skin is so oily sometimes, well, a lot of the time, that when I go out I look like a frying pan. Seriously, I told her to mattify the liquid foundation. And then the second thing that she mixed was I think this one's a lip gloss. Yeah, so this one is the lip gloss. This lip gloss, I asked her for it to be like a very long stay kind of lip gloss. She said to me that in order for it to be a long wear lip gloss, it needs to be sticky, which is really true. I've tried lip glosses that aren't sticky, and it doesn't stick as long as it should. So this is what the lip gloss looks like. I wanted a really nice brown sort of gloss with gold shimmer in it. I don't know if you can really see that properly. It is the most stunning lip gloss ever. It's got like golds and rose golds in it, like a champagne sort of shimmer to it. It's really, really beautiful. I will try it on and show you guys. And then there is this lipstick as well, which is the whole point. So, oh, by the way, so this is, because it's got like a glow to it, I named this Island Glow. So yes, you can also name your different lip glosses and lipsticks. And also this is, I forgot what the scent of this was actually. Oh, spice, something spice. Yes, something like that. You can also add whatever scent you want. And then this one is a lipstick. I've also named this Pop My Cherry because it smells like cherry. I love cherry scented things. I have also put this on, so I guess you can see the shape of it. It's actually so stunning. When she showed me the shape of this, I was like, wow, I've never seen a lipstick like this. And it's sort of like a nice rose pink, which I don't have. And it is also a matte shade. I wish you could smell this. It smells like, if you've ever tried lip smackers, the cherry lip smackers, that's what it smells like. Yeah, so that's also a matte formula. When I also tried this on, it was in a dark room, so I didn't get to see it properly. So I'm going to test it with you guys right now. I'm going to start off by putting on my primer. So I have a BYS spray primer. I'm actually going to tie my hair. Not the best tying hair method, but whatever. So I'm just going to spray my face with this BYS primer. Then I'm also going to go in with this other primer as well, which is for oily skin. It is also BYS, and I'm just going to pop that on my T-zone. This is where I get the most oily, on my chin and on my forehead a little bit. I'm just going to grab my brush and I'm going to pump a few pumps. I don't know how many pumps this is actually going to take to, I don't know if that's, oh, that's not actually enough. Probably one more pump. I've done 2 pumps for now. Let's see how good the coverage is. So I'm just gonna blot it on my face. So already I've noticed this is actually quite a thick formula. So that's going to be really good for full coverage. I did ask for maximum coverage. So hopefully this is going to be good. I've changed the lighting so you can see. I have noticed that this has actually got very good coverage. Yeah, wow, it's really covering all the scars that I've recently gotten from my pimples. And no, I don't pick up my pimples, they just leave a little bit of scar, which is normal. One thing I've noticed a little bit, it's not as matte as I would like it. I don't know if you can notice that shine. When I see myself in the mirror, it's actually not as shiny as it is from there, I guess because there's a light shining in my face. But I'm just going to keep blending it and make sure that, you know, I can work with it. Because if not, then I would have to bake my face. This is actually a perfect shade to my neck. I'm just going to put half more pump onto my hand again and then just get these stubborn scars that just don't want to move. There we go. It's good. It's good. It's not as matte as I would like it. That's the only down thing. Otherwise, I feel pretty good with the color. It's the most perfect, closest match you can get to my neck area, which is where you should be matching your foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and my eyes, and then I'm going to come back and do the lips and show you guys the lip gloss and the lipstick. So I'll see you soon. Okay, so I am back. I've done a halo eye. I'm going to zoom in just to show you guys how it looks. So it's very subtle, nothing too dramatic. I actually quite like this look. It's not bad. So I'm going to try on the lip gloss first and show you guys what it looks like. I have tried this on and I am so obsessed with it. I actually did have a lip gloss like this a little while back and I could never find it again after that. It's quite similar to this, so I'm glad that I could do that. I'm just going to put this on and show you guys. I do absolutely love this. If you can see how glowy it is, I absolutely love it. It's got all the glitter and colors to it that I really, really like. And it's really good for glowy looks. It just adds that bit of shine and that bit of shimmer that every glowy look needs. So I'm just going to wipe this off and I'm going to try on the Pop My Cherry lipstick. Okay, so now I'm going to try on the Pop My Cherry. You just have to make sure you have no sort of shiny lip balm or anything like that on. I think I did show you guys how this looks. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna put it on now. It is so pretty. I actually love the pink and the smell. I just want to eat this lipstick. What's really good about the diamond shape is that it's really easy to get right at the edge of your lips. So, you know, if you want that very defined lip, this is really good for it. Didn't even need a lip liner. I do prefer liquid lipsticks over matte lipsticks. I feel like liquid lipsticks are more matte, but this is gorgeous. I'm just going to blot it on some tissue so that it becomes a little more matte and the shininess sort of reduces a little bit. So even just blotting it just once, like the tiniest little bit, it turns matte. So I'm really, really happy with it. I have no complaints. I mean, the only thing that I even have a little bit of complaint about is this not being fully matte, but I did just add a little bit of powder to my face, and I mean, it's fixed it right up. So I'm pretty happy with it. I love the colors. I love that it's cruelty free as well. Yeah, I'm super happy with it. I'd give it 5 out of 5. The customer service was amazing. 5 out of 5 for service as well. The lady was super nice, super patient as well. The amount of tries it took to get this perfect, I mean, she didn't even show one little bit of impatience or anything like that. She was just so lovely. She was really honest as well. Like, even when this wasn't turning out to be my color, she would be like, no, I feel like we need a little bit more of the yellow. Even if I was like, yeah, I actually quite like it, she'd be like, oh, I feel like it needs a little bit of yellow. So obviously she's a professional, so I left it in her hands. I went to the Oxford Street Lip Lab, and I can definitely say that I will be back and I will definitely go get more lipsticks from them. The great thing is that they write down what they've put into each product. So she wrote down exactly what she put in this and this onto a sheet of paper. So next time, if I want to go in without actually going into making it, I can just tell them that this is my name, and they'll have my whole record, and I could just buy another one of the foundations, which I found truly so cool, because I don't have to go in there and sit down and, you know, wait for them to make it. They'll just have it for you, and you can just keep buying this if you run out. And same with the other two. I'm really happy with the products, guys. If you go to the Lip Lab, let me know. I would love to know what you guys made. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you if you are planning on going to the Lip Lab. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you next week. Stay happy, amazing, and positive. Bye.